好的，记是什么意思？啊，
Yi
记
is to forget because in the one no 忘记 the
Yeah,
same
忘
T
记 is forget. 忘记。记 Let me explain this 记记 means to take a note take a note. 记 also means to remember, but 忘记 is to forget. 记住是 remember 记 take a note 笔记 is also means note 本 notebook. 笔记本 nowadays also means laptop. So if I want to separate this note and laptop, how you will say it? We add this one in the very beginning. We say 电脑笔记本 Then it's this one 电脑笔记。好。And then let's take a look the character here. We have several character we need to practice on. 好，we take a look here. So this electricity 电 are you familiar with this 电 already? This 电
yeah, I can recognize it.
Okay, then we practice this one. This one is 邮件，邮 means post 邮局是 post office，邮件是这个 post letter 或 post email 邮件 we call it 电子邮件。This 邮 maybe you can practice here. This 邮
邮
邮件的邮 post。邮件。好 what about the left side? Recognize this character? This one.
The that's I've seen it before, but I forgot the meaning.
It means from 由 For example, 由赫尔辛基至伦敦至由至从到的意思从赫尔辛基到伦敦的意思。The same pronunciation like 邮件Now is easier. So the same pronunciation 邮件 and plus this ear radical. 邮 means post 件。Now we take a look at this 冠 this one 冠 in ancient Chinese it measure word for like this 一贯钱 like this money we call it 一贯钱 plus this radical. What is this radical?
This is sin, so hard.
Yes, the heart the heart the heart. 惯 means habit 习惯 still the habit. Would you try this one? 惯 this character just clean this. Yeah. 惯习惯left 心好的，习惯 habit 好 we continue 习惯 and 电子邮件 and then we take a look at this one So here we have character. This one, do you recognize this one?
That's my.
对的
I forgot if that's to buy or sell.
Now we explain this one good. This one we take a look So this is 买 and then this is this character, the number.
是
对的，买。I put 买 plus 10 and equals to this one. You can guess now.
Now it's to sell.
Yeah, pronunciation. This is 买.
My. Then this is my. No,
Very
the
good.
fourth tone.
Yeah, very good. I hear it clearly. Very good. 买 to buy. 卖 to sell. So we put when you buy something is more expensive. So here we put this one. Might you can remember now. 好，and then we practice this brain 啊。How we say brain first?
脑
Good pronunciation, very good. 脑。And now we have this left part. You also know the character and explain to me what is it? This one.
That's this is the this is the moon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
So what does
so
it mean?
yeah.
Yeah.
But-
One meaning is 乐, the other meaning?
Yeah. It's like an organ.
Yes, correct. Now you can practice this character here. Yeah. 脑啊，电脑的脑。
Oh wait, I did made that too long.
It's correct. It's correct. Ah, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too. Yeah. Now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 脑啊，brain 啊，脑，电脑，computer 啊，电脑 computer。好的，this one done. We continue. 好，哈哈，阿达。Look here. Now we don't have conversation. It's a small, very small, this article, like a diary. But let's take a look at what is here. All by yourself. Slowly, like you can start.
Okay. 这个等基本电脑，我去年 no that's not 年，我去年yeah 今年买的时候要50块。I forgot the pronunciation. It means like about, but
左右
左右
左右，
有都现在
现在cheaper cheap，
that's not 更 it's 便宜
对的，
多了。
对的。
And then 我想把这个电脑卖了，才买一个更好的。And then
Now
现在我每天
get up，
要起床
对的，
起床后的等一
major word，
okay not 等第一天更 no that's not 更wait
sorry yeah
一天
the first thing the first thing
是就是that's 开 and
对的，
打开 打开电脑
嗯哼，
看电子电子。This was we just had this. 有
邮，
有点有
对的，
点
对的，看电子邮件，对的，
有点。我已已经呃很很少
对的，很少，
很少写信。
对的，
嗯、也很少有 no wait 呀很少用笔写字。
对的，
嗯，已已经已经已经不 yeah this is not okay 关 and 关
已经，
心
嗯哼，习惯，
习惯习惯已经习惯用电脑来学学
对的，
嗯习
对的，
习和工作了。
对的，
and then 哪一天突突然突然没有了电脑。
对。
我们怎么办？怎么办呢？
Yes, well done. It's very difficult. I know there is not, yeah, nearly, yeah, I didn't put P in there, but very good.
Mm.
It's really, I know it's really hard. But tell me, hey, anyway, tell me what is about in
Mm.
general.
Yeah, I didn't get the exact meaning everywhere, but it's
Mm-hmm.
talking about the laptop and like
Mm-hmm.
some like laptop like habits.
Mm-hmm.
And like it said that um this person is like using it wait somewhere about work. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oh, um like he first he talked about the price,
Yeah,
like
true.
how it's like it's a lot more now, like it was cheaper when this person bought it. Wait, or was it the other way around?
And this part, indeed, the most important thing is this one. 哪一天突然没有了电脑，我们怎
Mm.
么办呢？So here 我打进去，哪一天突然 means suddenly 啊，没有了电脑，我们怎么办呢？我打进去 here.
So does it mean like what if suddenly I don't have a laptop, then what would I do?
Yes. Okay, your homework to work out the what does it mean this part. OK，好的，
Yeah,
我们
perfect. I'll have a look.
今天星期三见，好的，
谢谢苍天，谢谢你，
好的，再见，好的，
再见，再
嗯。
见。